Keep large panel projects perfectly aligned while you install fasteners, add additional features, or simply visualize your design. The new Clamping Squares Plus is longer, wider, and stronger than the original design, giving you better performance for the same price. And the new CSP clamp is specifically designed to easily drop into the 3/8" holes, securing the square faster than separate F or C style clamps. The CSP clamp features a large, easy-to-grip knob, an extruded aluminum clamping jaw that won't mar your stock with normal clamping pressure. Clamping Squares Plus work either inside or outside the workpiece and feature a relief cut that won't bind on your stock if a piece is slightly out of square. Speaking of square, the tools are CNC machined out of a solid piece of aircraft-grade aluminum to a tolerance of 0.0255 degrees. So get the perfect alignment on your next project with Clamping Squares Plus and CSP clamps. Precision made in the USA.